Today I'm going to discuss SPM Mathematics Paper 1, question 1 to question 9, right? This is a new format of the SPM exam. So for paper 1, okay, let's go through which of the following is a quadratic expression. So the first thing is we highlight expression. Quadratic expression, right? It's expression, not equation, in one variable. So let's look at the answer. Because the question mentioned quadratic, right? So the power of the unknown must be 2. So this one, the unknown, the power is -2. So this is not the answer. And this one, the power of the unknown, x power 1. So this is not the answer. And this one, if you expand, you notice that the power of the unknown highest power is 3. So n here, the n is the power, the n is 3. So here n is -2, here n is -1. So all these are not the answer because quadratic expression, the highest power of the unknown must be 2. So this is the right answer. For question number 2, diagram 1 shows the graph of two quadratic function, right? Function is a graph. Function is a graph. So we have one of the function is this one, whereby if you see the line is this pink color line. Okay, look at the A. If A is something to do with the wider of the parabolic shape. So this one will be determine the wider of the A. The smaller, the wider. The bigger, the narrower. Meaning that for 6, let's use another color. For this one, if you look at that, this one, the parabolic shape is narrower. Can you see here? I'm going to highlight to you. This one, the A is 6. So it seems like the A is wider. So if the spread is wider, so the A should be smaller. The value of A should be smaller than 6. Okay, A should be smaller than 6 because the wider the A, the width we call as width will be smaller. Okay, will be narrower. The width of the spread of the parabolic will be narrower. So the A here should be okay, let's have a look. This A should be less than 6, right? If smaller, it will be wider than 6. So we will choose the one with the A which is less than 6. So it's 4 for A and B, right? Okay, then we see the y-intercept. For the C, it seems that it's here. C is the graph cutting the y-axis. So it looks like it's a negative. And this value, this one is -5. Obviously, this one should be bigger than -5. This C, I mean the value. C is a negative C, right? So it should be -2 or -3 or -4. Either -2, -3 or -4, right? So we will see the C. This one is logic. So the answer is A. Okay, that's how you decide the answer. Now let's look at number 3. Number 3. Diagram 2 shows the graph of the quadratic function. You are having the fx equal to x squared minus 7x plus h. So we have to determine the value of h. In this case, you can use a formula. Okay, either you use substitution. You can substitute the point into here, the x here. Okay, that means you will sub -7/2, right? This one is the same. is equal to there's a negative, be very careful. Negative 7 over 2 square plus 7 times negative 7 over 2 plus the h, right? Plus the h. And then this is a y value. So 6, 4, 25. 6, 4 plus 1, 25 over 4 equal to negative, let's do 49 over 4, right? Let's square it. Then here will be plus 49 over 2, negative and negative, be careful. Okay, 7 times 7, 49 plus h. So we have the answer, we make it 2, here 2, 25 over 4 equal to negative 49 over 4 plus 98 over 4 plus h. So if simplified further is 49 over 4 and then plus h. So the h will be, if we bring over, will be 25 over 4 minus 49 over 4. So the h is negative 24 over 4, which is negative 6. So the h here is negative 6, right? This is the answer for h. Now let's proceed to question number 6. Number 5. Number 4. Okay, let's see number 4. State the axis of symmetry of expression. Axis of symmetry of expression. First of all, you must have the quadratic equation first. So let's cross multiply like this. Okay, cross multiply this one and this one. So it becomes 4x plus 2 and then x minus 1 and then 4 times 2x, and I have 4x squared minus 4x plus 2x minus 2 equal to 8x, right? So we have the quadratic equation. 4x squared, we have minus 2 minus 8, minus 2 minus 8. Here is minus 2, right? And then minus 8 minus, alright. So this is our, we simplify further, here by 2, 5x minus 1. So if we want to find the axis of symmetry, you can factorize, right? You can factorize. So here is 2x squared minus 2x. Okay, if we factorize, we cannot get the root. It looks like we cannot factorize, so no choice. We have to use. If we can factorize, we got the roots. We can take the roots, find the midpoint. But now we cannot, so we just use a formula: negative b over 2a, which is the b is negative 5, right? Be careful, here is the negative 5 over 2 times the 2. This is the a, right? So it's 5 over 4. So if I substitute the 2 inside here, I will get positive 5 over 4, which is positive, it must be x, cannot be y, for axis of symmetry. Alright, positive 1.25, right? So axis of symmetry is always using this formula. Remember this formula? Shortcut. Either you find the midpoint with the 2x intercept, or you use x equal to negative b over 2a. So the answer is A. Okay, let's proceed. The value of the digit 4. The value of digit 4. Alright. So this is a base 5. So normally we do like this. This is 5, 0, 5, 1, 5, 2, 5, 3. This is a place value. So it's 4 times 5 power 2. So n should be equal to 2, right? So n is equal to 2. Answer is C. Number 6. Find the value of the p such that p power 8 is 101 base 2. Alright. 10101 base 2. So either we divide 3 in a group. This is 5. This is 010, right? 010. This is 2, right? 25 base 2. This is a shortcut. Or else you can convert to, there's another way of doing. Okay, you can convert to base 10 and you divide by 8. So now I'm going to show you how to do. This is 2 0, this 2 1, 2 2, 2 3, 2 4. So we have 1 times 2 4, and then plus 1 times 2 2, plus 1 times 2 0, right? So meaning that we are having 16 plus 4 plus 1, which is 25 in base 10, right? 21 in base 10, sorry. It's 21 in base 10. From the base 10 number, we can convert to base 8 by dividing by 8. Let's divide. So I'm going to divide by 8 and find the remainder here. 8 times 2, 16, right? Remainder 5. 8, 0, remainder 2. After we get 0, we stop. Then we read from bottom up. 2, 5, right? Still the same. 2, 5. Okay, number 7 is just you plus 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, you plus. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 is 1, 0. 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 1, 1. So the answer is 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this one you can use a calculator, but it's more meaningful if you add with the concept is 1 plus 1 is 1, 0, base 2. And then 1 plus 1 plus 1, base 2 is 1, 1, base 2. Remember this. Okay, question number 8 is a base 7, so it's easy. 6, 2, 5, 0, 4, 1, 3, you minus base 7. If you borrow, you get 7. 7 minus 3 is 4. This one is 4 minus 1 is 3. Okay, this one borrow, get 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. This one left 5, 5, 5, 3, 4, base 7. This is the right answer. Alright, base number is easy. Okay, question number 9. Which of the following is the negation? Negation of the statement below. Negation means that we change from true to false or from false to true. We change the truth of the statement. So 6 is the factor of the 54. Is 6 times 9 is true, right? It's 6 times 9. Yeah, 6 is factor, so this is the true statement. So we want to change, we want to negate, so we have to make it false. So 6 is a multiple, no. 54 is not multiple, no. 54 is factor of 6, no. Yeah, there is a not. 6 is not a factor of 54. Yeah, this is the answer. Alright, that's all my sharing about paper 1 from question 1 to question 9. I will discuss for another page in my next video teaching. Till then, bye bye and have a nice day.